हेलो पीपल, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। होप करते आप सब बहुत अच्छे होंगे, मैं भी बहुत अच्छी हूँ। ओके, सो दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी द पार्ट 2 ऑफ IIT colleges that you can look for MBA despite low in CAT. So let's get started the video. Okay, so in this video we will going to talk about IIT Madras, IIT Jodhpur and IIT Dhanbad, IIT Roorkee. So first we will talk about IIT Madras. Online application form filling date is from 25 December to 31st January. The selection process will be GD and PI, and the dates for GD and PI is in March 2026, and the results will be out in May. Now talking about the criteria, so any graduate students can apply for IIT Madras from any discipline, and the percentage would be 60% for, and the percentage would be 60% for general category and 55% for SC, ST and PWD. And any final year students who are waiting for their results can also apply for this. Now talking about the fees, so the fees would be around 11.13 lakhs for 2 years, and the application form fee is 1600 for general and 800 for SC, ST and PWD. Now talking about the CAT percentile, so the CAT cutoff is 70 to 85 for general and 70 to 50, like 50 percentile to 75 percentile for SC, ST and PWD. So this is all about IIT Madras. Now we will talk about IIT Dhanbad. Important dates for IIT Dhanbad is, so the online application has already started. Like the date is from 24th of December to 31st of Jan. The PI date is February 19 and 22. And in March also it is going to be held, and the dates are 14, 16, 24, 22, 28 and 29. And the result will going to be declared in the first week of May. Now talking about the eligibility criteria, so any graduate from any discipline can apply. The percentage required is for general it is 60%, and for SC, ST and PWD it is 55%. So fees for 2 years is around 3 lakhs, and the application fees for general it is 1600, and for SC, ST and PWD it is 800. Now talking about the CAT cutoff, so for general it is 80 percentile, and for SC, ST and PWD it is 55 percentile. Now talking about IIT Roorkee, so the important dates are from 22nd Jan to 31st of Jan. GDPI date is in March. So the dates for GDPI is not confirmed yet, but it is going to be held in the month of March. Now, and the result will be declared in the month of May, and the document verification will be going to held in the month of July. Now talking about the eligibility criteria, so for it is also for final year students who are waiting for their results. Any graduates from any discipline can also apply for this, and the fee structure is around 8.51 lakhs for 2 years, and the form fees is 1600 for general category and 800 for SC, ST and PWD. Now talking about the CAT score, so for general it is 89 percentile, and for OBC it is 84 percentile, for SC it is 74 percentile, and for ST it is 70 percentile. So yeah, that's it about IIT Roorkee. Now we'll talk about IIT Jodhpur. Important dates for form fill up is last week of December to 31st January. The eligibility criteria is any graduate from any discipline, and final year students who are waiting for their results can also apply. Percentage required is 60% for general and 55% for SC, ST and PWD. Fees is around 8 to 9 lakhs for 2 years, and the application fees is 1200 for general and 600 for SC, ST and PWD. So the CAT percentile that is required for general it is 85 percentile, and for OBC it is 76 percentile, for SC, ST and PWD it is 60 to 50 percentile. Okay, so that's it for this video. I think I have discussed all the detailed information, all the criteria that are required to fill form for these colleges, and if still you have any doubt or any query, feel free to comment in the comment section. I will definitely reply, or I will make another video on this. एंड वंस अगेन, नो नीड टू गेट डीमोटिवेटेड. अगर आपके ड्रीम कॉलेजेस आपको नहीं मिले या फिर अगर आप IIMs अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते हो तो अदर वेज एंड अदर कॉलेजेस ऑल्सो फ्रॉम वेयर यू कैन डू योर MBA. सो प्लीज़ नो नीड टू गेट डीमोटिवेटेड, बी पॉजिटिव, सब अच्छा होगा. अगर IIMs नहीं मिले तो क्या हुआ, आप अपना MBA ज़रूर कंप्लीट करोगे. अगर आपको नहीं करना है ईयर ड्रॉप या आपको अगर MBA करना ही है इस साल तो आप ये कॉलेजेस को जा सकते हो. और ऑल्सो इन माई अपकमिंग वीडियोज़ आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग मोर कॉलेजेस like this only. Like in my next video I'm going to discuss some NIT colleges from where you can do your MBA. So yeah, that's it for this video. I think you like this video. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.